Hello everyone, I Kinika Arora, Faculty of BBA Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on performance appraisal. What do you mean by performance appraisal? Performance appraisal is defined as a process that systematically measures an employee's personality and performance, usually by managers or immediate supervisors, against the predefined attributes like skill set, knowledge about the role, technical know-how, attitude, punctuality, and so on. Performance appraisal has many names across organizations. Some call it performance evaluation, some prefer performance review, merit rating, annual reviews, etc. Features of performance appraisal. First, systematic process of evaluation of an employee. Second, analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of an employee. Third, to find out how well an employee is performing the job. Fourth, appraisal is done periodically. Fifth, it is based on a definite plan. Objectives of performance appraisal. First, to promote the employees on the basis of performance and competence. To identify the requirement for training and development of employees. Third, to provide confirmation to those employees who are hired as probationary employees upon completion of the term. Next, to take a decision regarding the hike in employees' pay, incentives, etc. Next, to facilitate communication between superior and subordinate. Last is to help employees in understanding where they stand in terms of performance. Advantages of performance appraisal. It is said that performance appraisal is an investment for the company which can be justified by following advantages. First is promotion. Performance appraisal helps the supervisors to chalk out the promotion programs for efficient employees. In this regard, inefficient workers can be dismissed or demoted in case. Second, compensation. Performance appraisal helps in chalking out compensation packages for employees. Merit rating is possible through performance appraisal. Performance appraisal tries to give worth to a performance. Compensation packages, which includes bonus, high salary rates, extra benefits, allowance, and prerequisites for dependent on performance appraisal. The criteria should be merit rather than seniority. Third, employees' development. The systematic procedure of performance appraisal helps the supervisors to frame training policies and programs. It helps to analyze strengths and weaknesses of an employee so that new jobs can be designed for efficient employees. It also helps in framing future development programs. Fourth, selection validation. Performance appraisal helps the supervisors to understand the validity and importance of the selection procedure. The supervisors come to know the validity and therefore the strengths and weaknesses of selection procedure. Future changes in selection methods can be made in this regard. Fifth, communication. For an organization, effective communication between employees and employers is very important. Through performance appraisal, communication can be sought for in the following ways. A. Through the performance appraisal, the employers can understand and accept skills of subordinates. B. The subordinates can also understand and create a trust and confidence in superiors. C. It also helps in maintaining cordial and congenial labor management relationship. D. It develops the spirit of work and boosts the morale of employees. All the above factors ensure effective communication. Sixth is motivation. Performance appraisal serves as a motivation tool. Through evaluating performance of employees, a person's efficiency can be determined if the targets are achieved. This very well motivates a person for better job and helps him to improve his performance in the future. So I hope you understood the topic of performance appraisal. For more videos like this, please like and share the video. Thank you so much.